This is a takeover of 964 South 680 West in American Fork. The roof looks like it's in pretty good shape. Needs yard care. Front yard. Side yard over here. You have a gate where you go in and out there. And you have a side gate over here too. Electrical panel right there on the side. Sprinklers are right here. We added a mojo to the front door already. This would be the entryway, first floor bathroom. Items to be removed. Faucet is working good. No leaks in the plumbing. That's good. Your lighting is good. Exhaust fan's clean. Door stops are in place. Blinds work. Medicine cabinet, items to be removed. Flushing, items to be removed right here and there. Toilet holder needs to be tightened up. Inside the tank looks good. You have a closet right here. Definitely needs cleaning. And you have blinds over here. They work as well. Let's test the doorbell. We didn't test the doorbell. Okay, it's not hooked up to the ring. Door stop is in place there. We can go upstairs here. You have good lighting up there. Paint's in good shape. Stairs need to be wiped down probably like right here when the face plates. The railing is all tight. Your thermostat's here. We'll start off in this room, would be the master bedroom. Curtains curtains need to be taken down. You have can lighting in the ceiling. Ceiling fan's working and the lights work. Your blinds, they work too. Windows work good. Screens are all in good shape. And they do adjust. You have a door stop there, it's in good shape. This will be your master bathroom. Faucets are good. No leaks. Items can be removed, that one there, that. You have cupboards for your drawers right here. Self-closing. Underneath that sink is nice and clean. No leaks. Faucet's looking good. Lighting is good. Exhaust fan is working. Can lighting there. Can lighting there. Bathtub's working. And it's draining properly. It's a big bathtub. And we have these pipes here. They're working. Let's open them. There we go. They're open. Towel bar's in good shape. Shower. These items need to be removed. Shower working. It's working good too. Drains are good. Doors and ceiling. We have your bathroom area here. Items to be removed. Toilet's looking good. Medicine cabinet. Inside the tank. Looks good. Door stops in place. Exhaust fan is working. This would be, I guess, like a ladies' powder room. The trash can area is here, or laundry. You have a few drawers. It's like a little vanity. Your drawers there, here. Linen. You have more drawers over on this side. cupboards here. Drawers. More drawers. Women do have a lot. Put away. Blinds, they're all working. Have your lighting is good too. Items to be removed. Here, there. Some patching right there. Towel bars, coat hangers, they're all tight, all your hardware. We can close this spine here now. Blinds are closed. So this is the master bathroom. Door stops are in place right there. Hall closet, items to be removed. Door stops in place. Underneath the cupboard is bathroom number 3. Sink, item to be removed. This towel bar is loose, it needs to be tightened. Lighting's good. Wash is good. No leaks. Closet for linen. Towel bar's tight. All items to be removed. Your medicine cabinet here. That's good. Inside of that tank is nice and clean. Your shower rod. For your shower curtain, that needs to be fixed. That's the faucet work. Shower's working good. And the tub stopper works good too. Door stops in place. Exhaust fan was working. Bedroom number 2. Ceiling fan works, the lights are working. Wall paint, everything's in good shape. Door stops are in place. Over there, here. Walk-in closet, or big closet I should say. Doors are all in good shape. Door stops are in place. This window's good. Screens are good. And your blinds are working. All your flooring is in excellent shape. Like a little sitting area here. You got shelves up here. Ceiling fan. Lights are all working. Shelving. Can lighting in the ceiling of the hallway right here. Screen's good here too. Here's the roof on the backside. It's in good shape. Windows are all the blinds are working, in good shape. Big bedroom 3. Doorstop is in place. Paint's good in here too. Ceiling fan has a mismatched bulb in it. Fan's working. Lighting's working. Your closet. Doorstop's drawn in place. Doors are working good. Flooring's good in here. Screens are all in good shape. Windows are all working excellent. Your blinds are all working. Really looks nice. Next room is your laundry room. Washing machine is running. Dryer. It works. It's running now. Items there, there's a shelf there, a little shelf here, exhaust fan's working, and the ceiling and the light is working too. Alright, railing is all in good shape, it's not loose or anything. Back downstairs, and all your smoke detectors are all new. Forgot to mention those. And then we have a gate here. I think it's for children, but yeah. That functions. So this would be a living room, your TV go there. All your windows are good. Blinds are all good. Ceiling fan's good, and all the lighting in the ceiling is good all the way through to the kitchen. We'll close these ones down too. Hope we don't forget them. all your blinds. All the windows they open nice. Screens are all in good shape. We have a closet over here for odds and ends. Your garage items need to be removed. Electrical panel there. Air conditioning and heating. Your water heater. I changed the air filter out already. It's kind of dirty, pretty dirty. And it's a 16 by 25 by 1. Garage door does work. Nice and quiet. Okay, this is your kitchen. You have cupboards here on the island and on the other side of the island. You have cupboards there, drawer, more cupboards, above the refrigerator, pantry area, your microwave, lots of cupboards. Two remotes, water filters for the refrigerator. Refrigerator, your pantry. Inside the refrigerator. Needs to be cleaned. Your freezer, big freezer, needs to be cleaned. Trash can area. The doors there. And your microwave needs to be cleaned. It's working. Burners on your stove. They're working. Center one. Okay, so burners are working. Two-stage oven. Underneath the sink. I took the ice out. Working. Cupboards here and drawers. Okay, and the dishwasher. Looks pretty good in there. lights on, working. You have your windows here. All these are working. Your blinds are all in good shape too. The door there. All the screens are in good shape. Take a look outside, your sliding glass door. Well, you have can lighting in here too. On that side. Up here. Sliding glass door works really good. You have a screen door right here. That's in really good shape. Jacuzzi is not filled, so we can't see if it works, but this is the backyard. It's been drained. Breaker box for the jacuzzi. Backyard needs yard care too. Little doghouse needs to be removed. Fire hydrant right there. Those just need to be pulled up. Air conditioner is working good. Storage in here. Items need to be removed. Get it ready for the next tenant. And it has lights on it too. It has lighting all the way around patio. Up along here. And the side of the patio. Bug zappers need to be cleaned out. Full of bugs. This is what the inside of the jacuzzi looks like. I'm not sure what they're going to do about that. Okay, well that's the video for 964 South, 680 West in American Fork. I hope you enjoyed it. So take care and have a good afternoon.